Today we are going to unbox a 60A MPPT solar charge controller, which is also one of the most cost-effective and worthwhile 60A controllers on the market today. It has well-designed packaging, and the main body of the controller is tightly wrapped in foam wool. An attached temperature cable and data cable. The weight of the controller is about 8 pounds, a little heavy. Controller with system status indicator, a very visual indication of the system operations. This is a very powerful MPPT solar controller that can charge 48 volt, 24 volt and 12 volt systems. It can handle up to 3,200 watts of solar panel input. Now you see its huge cooling fins, almost 1/2 of its weight is occupied by the cooling fins. It can bring good cooling effect. For a solar controller that has to handle a lot of work, good heat dissipation is necessary, and a good design can ensure maximum system operational stability. The next thing we want to look at is the wiring terminal of the controller. First, quickly remove the cover by screws. The cover is very easy to disassemble and reassemble back. Remove it and you can see the wiring ports inside. The wiring terminal looks very neat and easy to understand. Follow the symbols to connect the PV and batteries, you will not connecting wrong. Now let's connect the attached temperature probe. The temperature probe is a plug and play type. After plugging in, the system can automatically detect the ambient temperature. The temperature probe can be placed near the battery pack, but please do not place it on the surface of the battery. The role of the temperature probe is to detect the temperature of the environment to adjust the operation of the system and perform temperature compensation. In the hot summer, the system detects high temperature and adjusts the system charging voltage down to protect the battery, and in the cold winter, the system will automatically increase the charging voltage to obtain more energy. Along with the controller, you will find a system installation diagram and notes that you can refer to. It will help you build your own system in proper ways. Thanks for watching.